Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram reel by using AI. First of all, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a motivational quote for me and then I'll click enter. I'll copy the quote, then I'll go to Canva and here I'll search Instagram reel. Then I'll click on Instagram reel. Here are some templates you can select from them. I'll select this template. Then I'll click on customize this template. Now I'll add my quote here. I'll change the color of the text. I'll keep it white. Now as you can see, my Instagram reel is created. I'll download this reel. This is how you can create Instagram reel by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.